Now this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC and date is 18/12/2020 and we are studying lesson 14, the solar system. Lesson 14, the solar system. Lesson 14, the solar system, and in this lesson we have completed the reading. Now today we are solving worksheet 14. Worksheet 14. So in this worksheet, first fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So in the blank first, a planet revolves around the sun along its fixed path. Along its fixed path or orbit. Along its fixed path. So first, your fixed path or orbit. Anyone you can write. Now second is also called the evening or morning star. So here Venus is also called the evening or morning star. So here you have to fill the Venus. And third, axis of the earth is an dash line, imaginary. Imaginary line. The imagine now. Fourth question. The Earth completes one round of rotation about its axis in about 24 hours. So third, 24 hours. 24 hours. Now next question. We can write fifth question now. Fifth. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours. So here you have to write 6 hours. It is written 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Now sixth question. In June, the northern part of the earth has summer, but southern part has winter. So first summer, and winter. Summer and winter. So once again we can see the fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks. A planet revolves around the sun along its orbit or fixed path. Now second, Venus is also called the evening or morning star. So second, Venus is also called the evening or morning star. Now third, axis of the earth is an imaginary line. Axis of the earth is an imaginary line. Now next, fourth question. The earth completes one round of rotation about its axis in about 24 hours. So in about 24 hours. Now next, the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours. This is 6 hours. 6 hours to complete one revolution around the sun. Now next, sixth question. In June, the northern part of the earth has summer, but southern part has winter. So in this we have more questions. Second, we have to see, take the right answer. Take the right answer. Second. Now see next, B. Take the right answer. B. Take the right answer. B is there. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first we have to see first question. It is at the center of solar system. So three options are given here. First sun, second earth, and third is the moon. So here sun is the correct option. So first you have to take against the sun, and second, it is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. So three options are given here. One is Jupiter, Mercury and Venus. So here Mercury will be correct option. Mercury. Now third, this planet has rings around it. This planet has rings around it. So three options are given: Neptune, Uranus and Saturn. Neptune, Uranus and Saturn. So Saturn is the correct answer. And fourth, moon has big holes called. Moon has big holes called. Three options are there: pole, equator and the craters. So here craters will be correct answer. craters, correct answer. Now fifth, we can see the fifth. Each hemisphere of the earth remains near the sun for about 6 months. 6 months, 4 months and 8 months are given. So 6 months will be correct answer. So once again we have to see. So first it is at the center of our solar system. Three options are given. Is first sun, second earth and the third is moon. So sun is the correct option here. Now next, second, it is the smallest planet in the solar system. Three options are given here. Jupiter, Mercury and the Venus. So here Mercury is the correct answer. Now next, third question, this planet has rings around it. Three options are given. Neptune, Uranus and Saturn. So Saturn is the correct answer. Now next, moon has big holes called, three options are given, pole, equator and the craters. So crater is the correct answer. Now next, each hemisphere of the earth remains near the sun for about, three options are given, 6 months, 4 months and 8 months. So here 6 months will be correct answer. 6 months will be correct answer. So thank you, that's for today.